Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11 or 10. And for this, the first thing that we need to do is right mouse click on start and then go to run, type in add data and then click on OK. Then right here, make sure that you go to view, show, and then click here on hidden items. Then we click on local. And then right here, we will find here icon catch. Please click on it, right mouse click and click on delete. This is the first step. The second step is click this away, search for task manager, click on task manager. And then right here, open task manager, we click on Windows Explorer and right now restart the task. Right now we restarted Windows Explorer and right now we fixed the blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10 and 11. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao!